Hello, friends. Welcome to our Russian language learning course. Today, we will begin our journey by learning the Russian alphabet. My name is Nick, and I will help you master the first 11 letters of the Russian alphabet. Let's get started. The Russian alphabet consists of 33 letters. Today, we will learn the first 11.
А, Б, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И и краткое.
Each letter has its own unique sound and writing. Let's start. The first letter is
А,
This is a very simple and important letter. Repeat after me.
А,
Example word
арбуз,
means watermelon in English. Let's say it together.
арбуз.
The next letter is
Б,
Repeat after me.
Б,
Example word
банан,
means banana. Repeat.
банан.
The letter
В,
Repeat after me.
В.
Example word
Велосипед,
means bicycle. Let's say it together.
велосипед.
The letter
Г,
Repeat.
Г,
Example
Гроза,
means mountain. Let's say it together.
гроза.
The letter
Д,
Repeat.
Д.
Example
Дом,
means house. Let's say it together.
дом.
The letter
Е,
Repeat.
Е.
Example
Еда,
means food. Repeat.
еда.
The letter
Ё,
Repeat.
ё.
Example
Ёж,
means hedgehog. Repeat.
ёж.
The letter
Ж,
Repeat.
Ж.
Example
Жук,
means beetle. Repeat.
жук.
The letter
З,
Repeat.
З.
Example
Зонт,
means umbrella. Repeat.
зонт.
The letter
И,
Repeat.
и.
Example
Игрушка,
means toy. Repeat.
игрушка.
The letter
Краткое,
Repeat.
краткое.
Example
Йогурт,
means yogurt. Repeat.
йогурт.
Great. Now let's practice pronouncing these letters and words together. Repeat after me.
А, арбуз. Б, банан. В, велосипед. Г, гроза. Д, дом. Е, еда. Ё, ёж. Ж, жук. З, зонт. И, игрушка. Краткое, йогурт.
Great job. Today, we learned the first 11 letters of the Russian alphabet. Keep practicing. Pronounce the letters and words out loud to remember them better. In the next video, we will learn the next 11 letters of the Russian alphabet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And don't forget to watch our shorts. In them, you can review the letters and words we learned today and practice pronunciation. See you soon. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next video, where we will continue to learn the Russian alphabet. Bye-bye.